lead Pondicherry and Mevtalis. Even when Bayi and all was there, because Bayi and all used to work hard. Because when Bayi was there, he would get basically lead, try to get lead everywhere in the full north side. So in the same way, we basically will be working for it is not that they are the same. Everyone will basically now you have seen just on the call that we are going to come to, today. People came actually to meet Bahu. So in that this thing we will all work together and see that Bahu gets a majority from Panjim.
ओके सर तिसवाडी तालुक्यात 3 आमदार आहेत ते सुद्धा कितले बेनिफिशियल जातले असे दिसतं.
No, but as far as I can talk to you about as far as Talegaon is concerned and Panjim is concerned, these two constituencies we will get the maximum number of lead, which they did not get even last time.
ज्याप्रमाणे तुवें ह्या पणजी सिटीन आतां स्मार्ट सिटीचे तुमची कामां आतां कंप्लीट जावपाचे हेजेर सदांच टिका जाल्लेली पूण आज कंप्लिशनाच्या वाटेर हे तूं ह्या हितून कशें पळयता.
ना कितें जातलें न्हू आतां एक पाटी कंप्लीट जातकच मागीर लोकूच दिसतलो कितें तेमी त्रास कितले घेतला ते. So it is not the same. I understand that the people understand that whatever we have done is for their benefit. And हांव तुका कितें केल्यार न्हू मातशें एक टायम लागताच न्हू मात्र see this is not a new city, this is an old city. From old to convert it to create a new infrastructure, basically it takes time. You got to dig the old one to make a new one. So I appreciate the people of Panjim for having patience, and I apologize that so long it basically took to complete. But by May 31st it should be complete.
कितकी लीड आसलेली कोणी सकून.
See, maximum number of lead will come from Panjim. I am telling you, if 100 people vote in Panjim, at least I will see that 75 people will vote for Bahu in Panjim.
सदांच आमी पळयता आतां सुद्दां नारो घातलो बाबूश तूं मागे बडो आनी मागीर बाबूचे.
ना तो हें करपाचें हें कांय करपाचें बस बाबू तूं आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ है.
Sir, how you look at the Congress candidate? Congress candidate also yesterday announced no, and he has also started campaigning.
So let him campaign. So what we see, every party basically has got a right to basically field a candidate. So they have fielded a candidate. We have got no issue with that. Let him candidate. But as far as Panjim and this Talegaon, these two areas are concerned, he should not even dream of getting a lead.
So he is working with the India Alliance, no Aam Aadmi, Goa Forward, and any other party over there like RGP. How you look at this? The people are.
No, I cannot say what is happening around. But see, people know what basically our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi has done for the nation. And ultimately, what has happened? Giving vote to someone is basically not going to benefit us. We need to so much. Basically, even as a minister, he has done a lot. He has built Ayush Hospital. So many other things basically. That is one of what I can tell you about. But there are so many other things what he has done. See, it is wrong to say that he has not done anything. He has, for the past 25 years, it is either these people were sleeping. It is just when the voting comes, there is a time they see no one has done anything. Only that they will do something. But the thing is, what is the one? You should only realize who is going to come at the center. And according to in that trend, you basically got to go.
Targeting smart city, how you looking?
See, Congress is traveling. Congress has got no other work to do. See, as far as development is concerned, we need. This is, as I said, this is an old city. Old city, we need to transform it. We got to dig something from the old to basically create a new infrastructure. I am thankful to the people of Panjim for having patience for so long. At last, their dream of Panjim being beautiful will be realized soon. I only thank the people of Panjim.
Yes, thank you.